Mom and daughter. Cooking time.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, dear.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking.
Oh, what are you making?
I'm making chicken, curry, and rice.
That smells so good. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Can you pass me the onions?
Sure, Mom. Do you want me to chop them too?
Yes. Chop them finely. We need them for the curry.
Okay. What should I do next?
Wash the tomatoes and cut them into small pieces.
Done. Is this okay?
Perfect. You're getting better every day.
Thanks, Mom. I love cooking with you.
Me too, sweetie. It makes me so happy.
Bye, Mom. I'll come back after my class.
Okay, dear. Take care and don't forget your lunch.